In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to refer a friend to Kuda and also earn money for that. So for you to be able to refer a friend, all you need to do is to have a Kuda account. So once you have a Kuda account, you can refer a friend as you want and also earn money for doing just that. So for you to be able to do that, just log into your Kuda banking app. Then the next thing you're going to do, just click on more at the bottom right. So once you click on more, you're able to see this page just like this. The next thing you're going to do, just look down and you see referrals. So just click on referrals, and here you see earn money when you refer friend to join Kuda. So on this page, right, you can see pending reward. You can see what you have earned. So let's say you have referred different people to Kuda, you can definitely see how much you have earned from those people that you refer. So, and you can also view your history right there. So let's say you have referred people, pending, completed, people that have used their account after you refer them. You'll be able to see all of them right there. And for you to be able to get your referral code, so this is my own referral code down below, and you can also share the link directly. So if I click on share right there, there'll be a pop-up that tell me where I can actually share my referral code. So let's say I have some friend on WhatsApp, Facebook, I can actually share my referral code directly to them, and once they are very much interested, they can join Kuda using my link, download Kuda app using my link. You can see invite your friend and family to enjoy Kuda with your referral code, and you definitely earn commission for that. I think before they're actually paying up to 1,000 naira once you refer a friend, but then now they have actually removed the option. So I don't know how much exactly they actually paying per referral, but I believe on the long run it might also worth it, because you don't have to do anything. Just find people that are kind of like interested in joining Kuda, refer them, and also earn money for doing just that.